to get this seal out, we just used a corresponding hole saw bit. Worked quite well. Now to put the new one in, and we'll get the front water bracket on.
You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again.
Oh. Yeah. Almost perfectly. So we're going to use a slightly larger hole saw bit. We're going to use the smooth side as to not put any defects in the new seal. And then we're going to use a block of wood to protect the rubber mount from the teeth. Make sure to check out your back side. You want to make sure this seal is fully seated inside your bore that was created for this seal. Now this is the funky looking gasket for the back side of this. One side has 2 grooves and the other side has 1 groove. The way to tell the difference on which way this goes is you have a shorter edge and a longer edge on your seal. So if you line that up with your plate, the shorter edge goes on the right side. So the two sides of your seal will go into this plate, and the one side of part of the seal will go against the motor block face. Just gently work your way around, getting this seal to seat down into this groove here, and making sure that it's all flush and even. And once you've got the seal all the way in and seated nicely, this is what it should look like. So this is our timing sensor. The plug is over here, just a 2-prong simple plug. And this sensor reads the holes inside of the cam gear. You can see right on your cam gear there's rectangular holes, and as it's rotating, the beam passes through, taking note of where those holes are at, and that's what tells your ECU the timing. So for this water distribution plate, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts on the lower side, and the rest of your bolts are going to go through your water pump, holding your water pump in place and bolting the top of this plate onto the face of the block. So if you see stuff that looks like remnants of boogers in your water pump like this, you may want to get a new one. So we got a new one. Carl's already applied the gasket. You want the dangly bits to the right, in case that wasn't abundantly obvious already. we've got all the bolts snug down on our new water pump. We're going to torque them down to 30 foot-pounds. Transferred over the tensioner and the belt wheel that just spins, and the bolts for the thermostat.
There's a learning curve.
Yeah, I'm free falling, I'ma keep on falling.